Welcome. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to enable the Ask Where to Save Files option on Google Chrome Mobile. This quick setting gives you more control over where your downloads go, so you'll never lose track of a file again. It only takes a minute, and once it's set up, you'll always know exactly where your downloads are being saved. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. This is the browser you already use for browsing, searching, and downloading files. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar 3 dots, also known as the menu button. Go ahead and tap on those. From here, a drop-down menu will appear with different options. Scroll through until you see the option labeled Settings, and tap it. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy options to how your downloads are handled. Now, keep scrolling down until you find the section called Downloads. This is where all the options related to file saving are located. Tap to open it. Inside, you'll see different download preferences, and among them is the toggle for Ask Where to Save Files. By default, this option is usually turned off, which means all files just save automatically in the default download folder. But if you want control and flexibility, simply switch it on. Once enabled, every time you download something, Chrome will give you the choice to select the folder or location where you want that file to go. This simple change can save you a lot of time, especially if you download documents, images, or videos often. Instead of searching through your downloads folder, you can organize files the moment they're saved. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Ask Where to Save Files setting on Google Chrome Mobile. A small adjustment like this can make a big difference in staying organized and keeping track of important downloads. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to apply these steps right now and make your downloads work for you. Thanks for watching.